Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed a video to your Mailchimp campaign. So here you can see that I am on the editor of Mailchimp. If I want to add a video here, I will delete this and then I will double click video and drag it here. I'm going to drop it here and here you can see that my video player has been added. So if you want to add a video, for that you need to have a video uploaded already on some source like YouTube or Dubsmash or etc. I have copied the link of a video of our channel. I will copy it and paste it here. And you can see that the video has been added to my Mailchimp campaign. You can change the style of this video. You can change the font. If you want to write a caption here, here is the caption and write it here, and you can change the style as well. You can change the size of caption. You can change the background. You want it red according to your brand requirements. If you want rounded corners, you can change the settings as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.